Hi, my name is Yvette, and I'm going to describe the general characteristics and functions of epithelium tissue. Some characteristics of the epithelium tissue are that it covers organs and the body, lines body cavities, lines hollow organs, has a free surface, have a basement membrane. The cells often have desmosomes. The functions are in protection, secretion, absorption, and extraction. It is classified according to cell shape and number of cell layers. Simple squamous is a single layer of flat cells. The substances pass easily through. It lines air sacs, blood vessels, and lymphatic vessels. The simple cuboidal is a single layer of cube-shaped cells. It lines kidney tubules. It covers ovaries and lines ducts of some glands. The simple columnar is a single layer of elongated cells. Nuclei is usually near the basement. It has membrane at the same level. Sometimes possesses cilia and microvilli. It often gave goblet cells. It lines uterus, stomach, and intestines. The pseudostratified columnar is a single layer of elongated cells, has nuclei at two or more levels. It appears striated, often has cilia and goblet cells. It also lines respiratory passageways. The stratified squamous has many layers. The top layer is flat, can accumulate keratin, and it is an outer layer of skin. It also lines oral cavity, vagina, and anal canal. The stratified cuboidal has 2 to 3 layers. It is cube-shaped. It lines duct of mammary glands, sweat glands, salivary glands, and the pancreas. The stratified columnar is the top layer of elongated cells. It is cube-shaped cells in deeper levels. It also lines part of male urethra and part of pharynx. And lastly, transitional. Transitional has many cell layers. It is cube-shaped and elongated. It also lines urinary glands, uterus, and part of urethra.